gonna keep it moving.
Fuck you mean, nigga? Clinton Sparks.
Say45.com.
312 on him for shot, you know what I'm saying? Let's go get him. Young boy, you can tell that I'm a baller. Posted up in the shower like Ben Wallace. Now I've been 550, my office is 10 times bigger than
Broke
your
motherfuckers, keep to yourself.
My obsession with women got me testing the limits. Trying to slide
Run
up
with
in
your own
salons
kind.
with Jessica Simpson. Big boss in charge, I'm a threat with the pimpin'.
You don't fit in.
Hi everybody, welcome to Video Fusion TV. I just want to say it's been a great 5 years of bringing you some of the finest quality entertainment LA and Hollywood has to offer. Unfortunately, this is my last show. Time Warner Cable is going to be discontinuing public access TV. Do me a favor, write public access, write Time Warner Cable, tell them we want to bring it back. In any event, today we have a great show for you today featuring Warren G, the legendary Flock of Seagulls, and we have a video by Powder. Rock and Rap Video Fusion, I'm out. Peace.
You MySpace friends and shit. Video Fusion up in this building. So this is your last show, dog. I'm gonna take you out right. Hey, nobody's done public access like Video Fusion. This is your boy Big River Sean Healy Presents. Make sure you check it out. We got Warren G coming out later on tonight. And make sure you check out all the shows. www.weeklyfans.com. Video Fusion, you're the real.
Check this out, this is Warren G, and I rap on Video Fusion. That's how it's going down, fool. You better ask somebody. You got to do it.
I'm having fucking fun tonight. How about y'all? Y'all having fun tonight? It's all good. Are you motherfuckers having fun tonight? This shit is crazy. I ain't gonna lie, man. I love this shit. Live fucking months. We do this shit, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because we so motherfucking fly. That's how we get out. Y'all know about that. Seattle, 40 grand pockets, cattle, they come for break. So what's the thing? You the one in a Mercedes, shotgun with the thing. Post in the watch, the line game, crying the thing. Loving with Snoop, and they ain't singing rhyme and thing. I'm out late cause I'm riding with chain. I ain't with down, but then I'm back in a fire and everything. And they hate my pain. Since regulation, they're lacing the game. Ain't no mistaking the game. To one motherfucking middle, sitting on the middle, and that's what you know. No time for the riddle. You know he fall everywhere we go. You know who we saw. You look in on what it's called. Champagne caviar, bubble bath. I said, fuck you. He's up, 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 I said he's up. Come on, check us out. Where's all my motherfucking fly ladies in the house? You know what? This lady back here, she got her hand on her chin back there. You gotta stand up at a place, man. Look at that. I see everything over there. Come on, baby. Put your hand over there like that, man. If you fly, all the ladies in the house, put your hands over there like this. Hey, like that. Come on, say, I'll fly. I'll fly. Come on, I'll fly. I'll fly. Cause y'all fly, ladies. We love y'all. All down like that. Where's all my motherfucking dogs at? good in the motherfucking house. And that's real shit. If you know it, sing it! Regulator! I got something better for y'all. Can I ask you motherfuckers a question again? I'm getting some non-believers here. Can I ask you motherfuckers a question? Where's all my motherfucking regulators? I want you motherfuckers to sing this motherfucker with me, alright? It is all real congratulate y'all. This is what we do like to do this motherfucker. Y'all want more? God damn. You know what? God damn. Hey, that was the thing. Hey. Come on. Somebody say hit no smoke. Hit no smoke. Say hit no smoke. Say hit no smoke. Now scream. Hit no smoke. That's it. That's the one that takes the smoke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm feeling real high. I'm into the side of my motherfucking ride with the OG gas in mind. Hey, now you know, inhale, exhale, wait my flow. Break away, looking like this, then we to the sea. You know this, nothing you do, you break through your throat. This is me, and then you go slow. Come on. Somebody say, are you high? Yeah. Somebody say, are you high? Yeah. You got it right, 'cause I'm high too. Hey, this ain't no stress, it's a motherfucking ain't no smoke. That's what the fuck it is. I'm high.
Of Seagulls. Hey, I'm Mike Score from a flock of Seagulls, and you're watching Video Fusion TV.
Francisco Live.
Thank you.